Hi beauties, today we're making a mini turmeric papaya sugar scrub, perfect for even glowing skin and easy enough to make at home. Start with melted mango butter to give our scrub that rich and creamy feel. Next is grapeseed oil, and this is a really light and fast absorbing oil. And then we're going to add some safflower oil, which really helps to soothe dry or irritated skin. Turmeric helps to fade dark marks and hyperpigmentation. Black pepper activates turmeric's curcumin. Only add a pinch because that's just enough to enhance the turmeric. Papaya powder has natural enzymes that gently exfoliate your skin. And then we're going to add our physical exfoliant, which is the sugar. This helps to remove dead skin and leaves your skin soft and glowing. The texture is perfectly balanced, thick enough to exfoliate but smooth and pliable so that it spreads easy on your skin. I didn't add any preservative because this is just for me at home, but if you're making this for others, of course, you're going to need to add a preservative because it may come into contact with water. And there we have our turmeric scrub.